What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Bee Swarm video. And today, guys, I am... Hi. Alright, so let's get my honey dispenser. Oh yeah, from last video, I just filled up my hive. And yeah, that's my friend. Okay, let's go and get my treats. I tricked you to get some treats. Yeet. Now let's look at my quests. Alright, so let's go down to this bamboo field. Yeet. Oh no. Oh no, it's stinking rhino beetle. Uh oh, they're level 2. Oh my god. Oh, they're so hard. Yeah. There you go. So we gotta get 90,000. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so let's just look at that. Alright, I'm already like almost halfway. 45,000 is halfway, so yeah, I'm almost halfway. Got a bubble one, saving up for the beekeeper's hat. I'm gonna go and get a field booster from the Blue HQ after I do this. Or I might do my strawberry field challenge. Alright, almost done, guys. We need like 28k. Alligator. Okay, I think we're like almost done. Yeah, we need 10,000 more. Nine cat. I would put the 9 cat on the screen, but I don't want to. You should do it then. Okay, guys, I'll be back. Alright, guys, alright. Let's see here. I'm gonna just go talk to Paul very quick. I know I have a quest for him, but I want to see, like, maybe I'm getting something or something. Maybe I'll say. I'll be back, guys. Alright, so let's talk to Polar Bear. Oh, come on, he said he's gonna eat me. Alright, so he never said that we're gonna get anything. I'm gonna jump off of here so I can get quicker. There you go. Alright, let's just empty out my backpack. Alright. Oh yeah, guys, put in the chat if you like turtles. Because I like turtles. Alright, there's the turtle remix for you.
Rest in peace, turtle dude. These turtles will be remembered.
Let's go down. Alright, let's get the size. Like I said, guys, it's not going to be a long video. I'm going to end it at 8 minutes, so let's go up here. Alright, here we go. Stupid ladybugs. You think you can beat me? No, you can't. You can't. Yeet. If you guys like Bee-Swarm videos, just put in the comments that you do. I'll do more. Just say what you like more. Vlogs, Minecraft, Fortnite, Roblox. Like on Roblox, I can do any game. This is just a game I enjoy, but if you guys know any games, I'll do them. Well, guys, even though it's a little short, I am gonna end the video here, and I will see you next time.